In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace an image in Canva, and we're going to do it efficiently in just 5 minutes. Canva is a fantastic tool for crafting visually appealing designs, whether you're working on social media posts, presentations, or even videos. Sometimes you may want to update the images you have used, perhaps to keep your content fresh or to better align with your goals. Whatever your reason, replacing an image in Canva is a simple process, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Canva website and logging into your account. Once you're in, open the design where you need to make changes if it's not already in the editor. On the left hand panel of your screen, you will see various options such as templates, photos, and elements. What we're interested in right now is the Uploads tab. Go ahead and click on this option. The Uploads section is where you will find all the images and files you've previously uploaded to Canva. If you haven't uploaded the new image you desire yet, you can do it right here. Simply click on the Upload an Image or Video button and select the image from your device. Now let's say you want to replace an existing image in your design. First, find the image you want to use as a replacement from the uploads. Once you've located it, simply click, hold, and drag it over to your canvas where the current image is situated. One of the great things about Canva is its intuitive drag and drop functionality. So when you drag your new image over the old one, ensure that it is perfectly aligned, release the mouse button, and voila. The image on your design is now updated. It's just like a quick switch. One key thing to remember here is to ensure that your new image properly fits within the allocated space. Sometimes your new image may not be the exact size as the old one, and that's okay. Canva offers tools to help with resizing and cropping. Simply click on the corners of your image to resize it or double click to crop until it fits perfectly in the design. Lastly, don't forget to save your work. Canva usually saves your progress automatically, but it's always good practice to manually click on the save button once you are satisfied with your changes. This ensures that all your hard work doesn't just disappear, and there you have it. You've successfully replaced an image in Canva, keeping your design up to date and looking fantastic. Mastery in steps like these opens the door to efficiently creating and updating all your future projects. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.